Hello, I am Apurva Singh. This is AutoPatch Forge, an autonomous self-healing CI/CD platform built for the AMD developer Hackathon. Our platform automatically detects pipeline failures, generates safe patches using AI, evaluates deployment risks, and prepare GitHub pull requests. AutoPatch Forge follows a multi-agent architecture. A failed pipeline is intercepted by FastAPI gateway. The trace analyzer extracts runtime information. The patch planner generates remediations. The Google DeepMind Gemma performs safety validations. Finally, the patch engine and GitHub automation prepare deployment. Let's see the application. Here is the live dashboard. We simulate a CI/CD failure caused by a missing Python dependency. The error log is sent to our remediation engine. The trace analyzer extracts the exceptions. The patch planner generates deterministic fix. Fireworks AI with Google DeepMind Gemma evaluates deployment risks. The system measures execution latency and record telemetry for every stage. The generated patch is displayed here. The AI safety assessment provides confidence and deployment recommendations. Runtime metric shows the performance of each agent in the pipeline. AutoPatch Forge demonstrates how autonomous AI agent can reduce manual debugging and accelerate software delivery. Thank you for watching.